Today is January the 30th, 2018, y'all. And guess what? I'm gonna hit 10,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I'm just... 97! 1,997! 99! Just click...
There it is.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. 20,000. Thank you for 20,000 subscribers. I'm really happy, I swear. I've been missing y'all. Couldn't figure out how to make it. Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Living. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this. It's backwards.
This is how you put it together.
I have seen it in a ton of places online, and I'll share that with you. So let's jump right into the video.
You do that.
The washer turned on. Good morning everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I have another beautiful home wall decor idea I want to share with you guys. So I made a gorgeous glam lamp. This is actually a design I fell so in love with. Y'all, this is so pretty. Now, if you spend $230 or what was it, $213 on a candle holder, I don't think you're going to be throwing it across the room like a football anyway. But I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I'm not getting all mushy in this video. I've got a lot of ideas to show you guys, so I'm going to see you guys super soon. And I used gold. I know I said last week that spoon was my favorite one, but I really think this one is. I cannot thank you enough for your response. That kind of also helps me decide on what I'm going to do next. I have read every single comment, every single word. I hope everyone likes it, of course, but I don't know. We'll see. If you did, be sure to drop me a thumbs up. And my schedule is so crazy. You're a big part of that, like a huge part of that. So I mean, like when I got off work, I just stayed up reading comments, and the real challenge. So yeah. So this is a lot different, this intro right here. This thing is on here like big time. Let me show you. I was, whoa. I'm gonna take you guys shopping with me at Dollar Tree. And I know some of you are going like, what's going on? So it's like way up there. It's just pretty. So thank you guys so much. I love you, and I'll see you very soon upon your request. I do want to tell you this. I know in the video, I don't use a lot of gold in my projects. Oh my goodness, I love it, love it, love it. It's a little bit different. So I've been wanting to make. Let me show you. Like, you see all that stuff? Yeah. So what happened was, I'm going to show you guys how I made this lovely candle holder. Super important that women inspire other women. So that's it. I cannot thank you enough. Y'all are just such a blessing to me in my life. Thank you.